Science education is critical education. When we learn scientifically, we learn to think critically and mindfully. We find ourselves having a problem and take the steps from what we've learned to explain, connect that explanation to what we know, and come up with a resolution. This can be learned from scientific methods and experimenting with hypotheses. It's important in my life because science isn't everything around us. It's vital to be educated with science. I'm acquired with not only skills of problem solving or logical reasoning, but a general understanding that most, if not everything, stems from science. From the flowers on my desk wilting away to the spread of seasonal allergies from pollen in the trees, and even the gas stove used to make family dinners. Since science is an ever-evolving force like the universe is infinitely expanding, it's also important in our future. It's important in our future because we can use what we've learned and apply it to adult situations. For instance, we can use the skill of critical thinking when voting for a president or a state representative, as it ensures for strong voters who can succeed in creating a healthy democracy. Another instance could be facing an issue and responding in a logical way. Say a rift happens in a work setting between two well-liked employees. To solve the problem, we could think about what was done or said and come to an understanding between two parties, almost like proving a hypothesis. Or more specific to science, we can use the skills of research when facing environmental problems. A very large and talked about issue is climate change, which affects us every day and will affect us in the future if we can't take the steps to work towards better actions like walking or biking instead of driving and switching to LED light bulbs to save energy. What we know about these changes in our environment and their causes to them comes from scientific research. We will still face these issues in the future, but it's important to explore and examine what the situation entails or what can be done to solve it.